In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and attachments in Google Meet. Sharing documents seamlessly during your online meetings can significantly enhance collaboration, allowing everyone to be on the same page in real time. Let's walk through the steps for setting up a Google Meet session and attaching important documents accessible to all participants. To begin, head over to the Google Meet homepage by typing meet.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, the next step is to schedule a meeting. Look for the option that says Schedule in Google Calendar and click on it. Google Calendar will open a new window, helping you to efficiently organize your meeting without missing any details. Now, in your Google Calendar, provide the essential information about your meeting. Here, you'll enter the meeting title, the date, and time, ensuring all these details are accurate to confirm when everyone is to join. Remember, well-documented titles and times ensure your participants know exactly when the discussion begins and the topic at hand. With those details entered, move to the Event Details area. This is where you'll be connecting your Google Drive documents with your meeting. You'll notice an option that says Add Google Drive Attachment. Click this option, which will prompt you to select the document you intend to share from your Google Drive. Ensure that the document you're choosing is the right one and that it has the necessary permissions set for others to view or edit it. This will save time and avoid any interruptions during the meeting regarding access issues. Once you've chosen the appropriate document, look towards the lower right corner of the screen and click Insert. This action will officially attach the document to the meeting invitation, making it ready for others to access once they join the meeting. After inserting your document, the final step in this scheduling process is to click Save. This action finalizes your meeting setup, securing the schedule and attachment in place. The saved meeting will now appear in your Google Calendar with all the relevant information and files ready for use. When the scheduled meeting time arrives, join the meeting using Google Meet. Once in the meeting, everyone will have access to the document you attached, ensuring a smooth flow of information right from the start. This method empowers a productive meeting environment, allowing attendees quick access to necessary materials without any hassle. So, whether you're hosting a routine team discussion or a special project meeting, these steps will keep your sessions organized and efficient. Enjoy your meeting and happy collaborating with Google Meet.